What's up, everybody? Today we're diving into the world of toothpaste. I know what you're thinking. Toothpaste, really? That's for brushing your teeth, right? Well, get this. Toothpaste is a freaking superhero in disguise. It's not just for pearly whites, my friends. We're talking life hacks, cleaning hacks, stuff your mama never taught you. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to unlock the secret powers of toothpaste. We're going deep into the toothpaste game, busting myths, and I'm going to show you how this everyday item can be your new best friend. Stay tuned, because if you're not using toothpaste for these crazy hacks, you're seriously missing out. Alright, first up, let's talk cleaning. We all know how daunting it can be to keep our homes spotless, right? Forget those fancy cleaning products with ingredients you can't even pronounce. They can be expensive and sometimes not even that effective. Toothpaste is where it's at. Yes, you heard that right. This everyday item can do wonders beyond just keeping your teeth clean. That's right, this little tube is your secret weapon against dirt and grime. It's versatile, affordable, and something you probably already have at home. We're talking about making your stuff sparkle like it's brand new. Let's start with silverware. You know how frustrating it is when your beautiful silver pieces lose their shine? You know how silver gets all tarnished and loses its shine? It can be quite disheartening, especially when you have guests coming over. Well, grab some toothpaste and a soft cloth. It's a simple solution that doesn't require any special skills or tools. Put a dab of toothpaste on the cloth and rub it on your silver. Make sure to cover all the tarnished areas. You'll literally see the tarnish disappear. It's almost like watching a magic trick unfold right before your eyes. It's like magic, but it's science. The mild abrasives in toothpaste gently polish the surface, removing tarnish and restoring shine. And it doesn't stop there. Toothpaste can be used on a variety of items around your home. Got some dirty shoes you thought were a lost cause? Toothpaste to the rescue. It's not just for silverware. Just like with the silver, put some toothpaste on a brush, scrub those sneakers, and watch the dirt vanish. Boom! Good as new. But wait, there's more. Toothpaste can tackle even the toughest grime on your shoes. Ever noticed how your car headlights get all foggy and dull over time? It's not only unsightly but can also be a safety hazard. It's a real bummer, right? But don't worry, there's a simple fix. Well, guess what? Toothpaste can fix that too. Just apply some to your headlights. Apply some toothpaste to your headlights, buff it in circular motions, and watch them light up like the 4th of July. It's mind-blowing. You'll be amazed at how clear and bright they become. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, people. Toothpaste can be used on so many other things. Toothpaste can clean everything from your bathroom faucets to your piano keys. It's a multi-purpose cleaner that can save you time and money. It's the ultimate cleaning hack you never knew you needed. Imagine all the cleaning products you can replace with just one tube of toothpaste. So next time you're about to reach for that expensive cleaner, think twice and grab that tube of toothpaste instead. You'll be surprised at how effective it is. Alright, moving on to chapter 2, where we're diving into the world of skin soothing with toothpaste. Yes, you heard that right. Toothpaste isn't just for keeping your teeth clean and shiny, it can also be a surprising ally in your skincare routine. Yeah, you heard me right. Toothpaste isn't just for your chompers, it can work wonders on your skin too. It's like having a secret weapon in your bathroom cabinet that you never knew you had. We've all been there. Annoying bug bites that drive you crazy with itching. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a summer evening outside, those pesky bites can really ruin your day. Well, before you scratch your skin off, try this. Dab a little bit of toothpaste on that bite. The cooling sensation will provide instant relief, and you'll be able to enjoy your time without the constant urge to scratch. The menthol in the toothpaste will cool the itch and reduce inflammation. It's like magic relief. You'll feel the soothing effect almost immediately, and the redness and swelling will start to go down. And speaking of magic relief, toothpaste can also help with minor burns. Accidents happen, especially in the kitchen, and having a quick remedy on hand can make all the difference. You know those little kitchen burns you get from touching a hot pan? Yeah, those. They can be really painful and annoying, but there's no need to suffer. Just apply a thin layer of toothpaste to the burn, and it'll help soothe the pain and prevent blistering. The cooling effect will provide immediate comfort, and you'll be able to get back to your cooking in no time. It's like having a first aid kit in your bathroom. Toothpaste is a versatile and handy tool that can be used for more than just dental care. But remember, we're talking about minor burns here, people. For anything more serious, you should always seek professional medical help. If you have a serious burn, don't mess around. Go see a doctor. Safety first, always. It's important to know when to use home remedies and when to seek professional care. Now, I know what you're thinking. Toothpaste on my skin? Sounds crazy, right? It might seem unconventional, but sometimes the best solutions are the ones you least expect. But trust me on this one. Toothpaste has properties that can be beneficial for your skin, and it's worth giving it a try. Toothpaste is a gentle abrasive, so it can help exfoliate dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. It's like giving your skin a mini spa treatment without the cost. Plus, the fluoride in toothpaste can help fight bacteria and prevent breakouts. So next time you're in a pinch, reach for that tube of toothpaste and see the magic for yourself. Chapter 3, Household Hero. Okay, let's get real for a second. We've all been there, kids, crayons, and your pristine white walls. It's a recipe for disaster, right? But don't panic, because toothpaste is about to become your new best friend. Yeah, you heard me right. Toothpaste can erase those crayon masterpieces from your walls like magic. Just put a dab of toothpaste on a damp cloth and gently rub the crayon marks. The abrasive properties of toothpaste will lift the crayon right off the wall, leaving your walls looking good as new. And while we're on the subject of household hacks, let's talk about stinky hands. You know, after chopping onions or handling garlic, your hands can reek for hours. But don't worry, toothpaste is here to save the day. Simply wash your hands with some toothpaste and it'll neutralize those strong odors, leaving your hands smelling fresh and clean. Toothpaste is like the ultimate household hero. It can tackle everything from crayon marks to stinky hands. So next time you're faced with a household dilemma, remember the power of toothpaste. It might just surprise you. Chapter 4. The Mind-Blowing Hack. Alright folks, get ready for this because I'm about to drop a toothpaste hack so mind-blowing it'll change your life. Okay, maybe not your whole life, but it's still pretty darn cool. Have you ever gotten out of the shower, gone to check yourself out in the mirror, and bam, it's completely fogged up? Talk about frustrating, right? Well, guess what? Toothpaste can fix that too. Yep, you heard me right. Just put a small amount of toothpaste on a cloth and rub it all over your mirror. Then, use a clean cloth to buff it off. And voila! No more foggy mirror. The toothpaste creates a protective layer that prevents condensation from forming. It's like magic, but it's science. Chapter 5. Toothpaste Power Recap. Alright guys, we've covered a lot of ground today, and I know your minds are probably blown by the sheer awesomeness of toothpaste. It's truly incredible how something so simple can be so versatile. So let's do a quick recap of all the amazing toothpaste hacks we've learned today. Trust me, you'll want to remember these for the next time you're in a pinch. First up, we learned that toothpaste is a cleaning champion. It's not just for your teeth. It can tackle some of the toughest cleaning jobs around your home. It can make your silverware sparkle, your shoes shine, and even your car headlights look brand new. Who knew, right? It's like having a secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal. Then we discovered that toothpaste is a skin-soothing superhero. It's amazing how it can come to the rescue in so many unexpected ways. It can tame those pesky bug bites, soothe minor burns, and even help prevent breakouts. Imagine having a multi-purpose skin remedy right in your bathroom cabinet. Who needs fancy creams and lotions when you've got toothpaste? It's cost-effective and surprisingly effective. And let's not forget about toothpaste's incredible household skills. It's like having a handy helper for all those little household annoyances. It can erase crayon marks from your walls, deodorize your hands, and even defog your mirrors. These are the kinds of tips that can save you time and frustration. Toothpaste is like the MacGyver of household products. It's always ready to save the day in the most unexpected ways. But seriously folks, I hope this video has opened your eyes to the incredible versatility of toothpaste. It's not just a one-trick pony, it's a multi-talented superstar. It's not just for brushing your teeth anymore. Think of it as your go-to solution for a variety of everyday problems. So, next time you're faced with a cleaning conundrum, a skin irritation, or any of life's little annoyances, remember the power of toothpaste. It's a small tube with big potential. It might just surprise you. Keep exploring and discovering new ways to use this everyday item, and you'll never look at toothpaste the same way again. Outro, don't forget to subscribe. So there you have it, folks. Toothpaste, the unsung hero of your bathroom cabinet. I hope you've enjoyed these mind-blowing hacks as much as I have. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can unlock the power of toothpaste too. Until next time, keep on brushing, keep on hacking, and I'll catch you in the next video.